my love, oh honey, look how we made it this far.
Connecting with ASU alumni on LinkedIn. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find and connect with ASU alumni, ensuring you make the most of this powerful networking tool. Connecting with Arizona State University alumni on LinkedIn can open doors to new career opportunities, mentorship, and invaluable advice. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the main page, you'll find the search bar at the top. Type Arizona State University into the search bar and hit enter. From the list of results, click on the official ASU page. On the ASU page, you'll find several options under the university's banner. Click on the Alumni tab. This is where the magic happens. LinkedIn will show you a comprehensive list of all ASU alumni on the platform. Here's when you can refine your search to find the perfect connections. First, notice the total number of alumni. This gives you an idea of the vast network you can tap into. Use this filter to narrow down alumni who graduated around the same time as you. It's a great way to connect with peers or those just a few years ahead in their careers. Enter specific keywords related to the industry, job titles, or areas of interest that you are targeting. This will help you find alumni working in fields which you are interested in. This filter shows you the companies where alumni are currently employed. It's incredibly useful if you are aiming to work at a specific company. You should narrow down alumni based on geographic location. Whether you're looking to stay local or move across the country, this filter helps you find alumni nearby or in desired locations. This filter categorizes alumni by their professional fields. You can filter by sectors like marketing, engineering, or education to find alumni who work in your desired industry. This allows you to filter alumni based on their skills. For instance, if you're looking to connect with someone skilled in data analytics, this filter will show you relevant profiles. You can filter alumni by their majors or programs. If you want to connect with fellow business majors or those from a specific program, this is the filter to use. Finally, you can sort alumni by how closely connected you are, first, second, or third degree connections. If you prefer to reach out to those you share a connection with, this filter will help. Once you've applied your filters and found an alumni profile you'd like to connect with, click on their profile and click the Connect button. But wait, before you do so, you will be prompted to add a note. Don't skip this step. Here's an example message you could send. Hi Polina, I'm a recent ASU graduate in film and media production, looking to build my network in the film industry. I noticed we share an alma mater, and I'd love to connect to learn more about your experience at your company. Thank you. Sending a personalized message shows genuine interest and increases the chances of your connection request being accepted. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a strong network of ASU alumni on LinkedIn. Start connecting today with the ASU Career Services LinkedIn page to begin your networking journey.